Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the withholding tax step by step. Start by gathering pay stubs, Form 1099, W-2, and bank records, then confirm total reported income. Next, locate federal and state withholding entries and note their amounts. Use the correct tax table or percentage to compute withheld tax and compare the withheld total to your expected liability. Finally, prepare documentation for adjustments or refunds if needed. In this video, I will explain how to get the withholding tax step by step. Start by determining your taxable wages after pre-tax deductions, then apply the correct federal and state percentages. Enter each payment and withholding line into a spreadsheet to sum totals and spot discrepancies. Double-check for multiple payers or supplemental wages that use flat rates. If numbers differ, track source documents to resolve underwithholding or overwithholding quickly and clearly. In this video, I will explain how to get the withholding tax step by step. Quick recommendation: grab the new Kindle Paperwhite for easy reading of tax guides, receipts, and spreadsheets while you commute or wait in line. It stores documents neatly and makes referencing forms simple and portable. If you like this tip in the video, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to get the withholding tax step by step. If you find mismatches, contact the payer immediately to request corrected forms and confirmations. Record all communications and obtain replacement documents before filing. Use corrected figures when completing your return. If you already filed, prepare an amended return with supporting evidence to claim refunds or fix liabilities. Keep copies of every document for audits and future reference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.